Switzerland. Okay? Now, the flagship product of this company is a product that is called Dynace ROCENTA. Can we say it together? Dynace ROCENTA. That is the flagship product of our company, Dynace Global. Okay? Now, Dynace ROCENTA is a stem cell product, but it is not the stem cell product that you know. It is actually the peak of stem cell products in the world. Okay? It is the peak of stem cell products in the world. I'm sure before now, you must have heard of stem cells. Have you? Have you heard of stem cells? Okay, for the sake of those people who have not heard of stem cells are a kind of cells that are found in you that causes the production of each and every other cell in your body. It means that before a child is formed in his mother's womb, it is stem cells that go on to produce every organ, every tissue, everything, every cell in that child's body. Do we understand? So without stem cells, there's no you, there's no me. Stem cells are actually the origin of life. Do we understand? Of course, you will agree with me that a human being is composed of cells, right? Everything in your body is made up of cells. Even the very strand of hair on your head is made up of cells. Now, all these cells that we are composed of, I'm really trying to summarize, so please pay attention, okay? All these cells that we have in our bodies, all of them have lifespan. All of them have lifespan. So, every cell has a time lifespan, the time limit, okay? Beyond which that cell can no longer exist, beyond which that cell will die. Some of them, their lifespan is like 120 days, some like 130 days. Once it gets to that time, that cell will die. And once it dies, your body will naturally produce another one to take its place. Do we understand? And I'm telling you that thing that is in your body that can cause your body to produce new ones is stem cells. Do we understand? Now, what happens naturally, is that, as cells die, new ones are produced to take their place. But as you advance in age, the rate at which cells die will begin to increase, while the rate at which new ones are produced will begin to dwindle. Do we understand? That is the reason if you see a child's skin, and look at your skin, you who is up to 50 is not the same thing. That is why a lady who is 30 years old will start looking for cream to start rubbing so that she can continue looking the way she was 15. Do we understand? That is the reason once a man or a woman starts getting to the age of 50, 60, he starts having wrinkles. The person's body will start shrinking. In fact, given some more time, maybe 70, 80, the man will start reducing size. So that the size of his bones will start reducing. I told them that before my grandfather died, I carry him like this, like a baby, to the bathroom and bathe him. Do you understand? That is somebody who was a very big man before. What has happened? His cells, the rate at which cells are dying has exceeded the rate at which new cells are produced. Do we understand? Now that is the natural thing. Do you know that the natural death of cells is not the only way cells die in our bodies? So there are so many other things that lead to the death of cells in our bodies, and I want to tell us that most of the illnesses that we suffer from actually result from either the injury of cells or the death of cells. So there are so many things that we do that can lead to the death of cells. For instance, exposure to mechanical and chemical hazards. For instance, if you are exposed to acid, right, your skin will burn, right? That's the cells of your body being killed. Do we understand? If you are involved in road traffic accidents, then you will sustain injuries. Maybe even they can even be fatal, right? That's cells being damaged. Do we understand? How about people that are exposed to people that lead very nefarious lifestyles? For instance, people that drink plenty of alcohol. You discover that if you see somebody who is a chronic drunk, if you see someone who is a chronic drunk, get another person of his age, look at them, you will see that the person who is a chronic drunk is looking older than his age mates. Why? Because the too much alcohol is taken is causing more of the cells to die. Do we understand? How about people who are exposed to microorganisms, disease-causing microorganisms? Okay, things like viruses, bacteria, and all that. You discover that those things will ultimately lead to one disease or the other. All these things are actually caused by the death of cells. Now, hello. Hi. Now you discover that cells in our bodies, as they die, you discover that people are led into one disease or the other. One disease or the other. At this point, I want to ask you, if the death of cells is actually what causes illnesses, if you want to stop illnesses from happening or treat any illness, what do you do? What do you think would be the most efficient way to treat illnesses? Tell me. Anybody?
Yes. Protect that cell. Protect that cell. Protect the cell.
Replicate the cells.
Any other person? Yes, yes, sir. Let me hear you.
Replicate the cells.
Thank you. Can we put our hands together for him? Please put your hands together for him. He said, replicate the cells. Anyway, the thing is, remember we have said that the death of cells is also natural. There is nothing that is alive that will not die. So you can't stop cells from dying. Even if you choose to live the best kind of lifestyle, you will still die because you will grow old. Do we understand? So if you want to stop, if you want to mitigate illnesses, the best thing to do is to look for something that has the capacity to cause your body to produce new cells. Because once new cells are produced in your body, they will be used to replace the old existing ones. And you will look younger. And you will be healthy. Do we understand? That is where stem cells comes in. Now, before now, we have heard of different kinds of stem cells, right? Different types of. In fact, I was the vice chairman of a company that marketed the best kind of stem cells before now. Okay? Yeah, he knows the product. Before now. But ladies and gentlemen, the product we have in this particular company called Dynace Global is the peak of stem cells.
Amen.
First of all, let me show you the product. The name of the product is called Dynace ROCENTA. What did I call it?
Dynace ROCENTA.
Dynace ROCENTA. That is the name of our product. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this product is the peak of stem cells. And plant stem cells. Of course, you know there are two types of stem cells, right? But because of our time, I'm not going into that. There are plant and animal stem cells. But you know that animal stem cells are not good for you. You can't handle it. Your body can't handle it. Okay? So the only thing that your body can tolerate is plant stem cells. And I'm telling you right now that the ultimate kind of plant stem cells is Dynace ROCENTA because it is made from phytoplacental stem cells. When I say phyto, I mean plants. Do we understand? Now, when I say placental stem cell, I'm sure you'll be thinking to yourself, wait, these people, they go cut a woman's womb and remove the placenta. Are you thinking like that? No, the answer to that is no, okay? It is actually made from the placenta of a kind of rose found in Bulgaria. And that particular plant has been found, that placenta from that, stem cells from that placenta has been found to be the ultimate, that is the most effective kind of plant stem cell anywhere in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this company called Dynace Global is the first and only company in the whole of Africa to have this product. I thought you were going to that. Yeah, because every other kind of stem cell that you know before now, this product has at least four times the potency. In fact, the previous stem cell that we have, people that know, okay, this product called Dynace ROCENTA has 7 times the efficacy of that particular product. Do we understand? And how does this one work? Okay, this product works by providing your body, providing your cells, a particular coenzyme that is involved in the transportation of electrons inside your cell. Okay, listen. You see, every cell is alive. Is it true? Yes. Every cell is alive. And what keeps the cell alive is the movement. Hello, please. What keeps every cell alive is the movement of electrons within that cell. Hello?
Hi.
It's just like a human being. You are alive because you have blood flowing through you, right? If blood stops flowing through you today, what happens? You're not there. It's the same thing with cells. The movement of electrons within the cells is actually what keeps that cell alive. Once the rate of movement of electrons within that cell begins to reduce, the cell starts running into problem. Once the movement of electrons in that cell halts completely, the cell dies immediately. Do we understand? Now I am telling you that the product we have as ROCENTA is actually the coenzyme that is involved in the movement of electrons. You know, an electron will have to be carried by something, right? And moved around the cell. That thing that carries it to move it around the cell is the particular product we have. This product is actually a precursor to it. Okay, let me tell you. What moves the coenzyme that moves electron within a cell is called NAD. I'll just call the name in full, but it is not for you to okay, just know it as NAD. It's called nicotinamide dinucleotide. Okay, like I said, forget about that. Just know it is NAD that moves electrons around. Okay, so I said this product is a precursor to NAD. That means this product is what forms NAD. So it means that the scientific name for this product is nicotinamide mononucleotide. Do you understand? It is what actually forms the NAD. Hello? The reason I'm telling you this is not because I expect that all of you are scientists. No. But I need you to understand how potent this product is. We are not telling you of something that might happen. No. We are telling you of something that is actually involved in the movement of electrons. And then, of course, you know that once electrons are moved efficiently within your cell, that cell becomes alive. And then it becomes healthy. When someone is sick, when someone has one problem with an organ or the other, it boils down to the cells, right? So it implies that some of the cells are not healthy. If you are able to supply those cells with something that has the capacity to move electrons more efficiently, you are treating that cell. Do we understand? That is the reason you can use this product to take care of a lot of illnesses. But before I mention those illnesses, let me also tell you this. Aside from the NAD, okay, or the nicotinamide mononucleotide that it has, okay, this product is also loaded with a lot of other very, very wonderful compounds. One of such is polyphenols. Okay, polyphenols are found a whole lot in this product. And what are polyphenols? Polyphenols are natural compounds that are found in plants that act as antioxidants in plants.
5 minutes.
Hello, are we still here? All right. Now, what polyphenols does for plants is two things. One, it helps to protect the plant from UV rays. Ultraviolet, you know UV now. Ultraviolet rays. If what protects you from UV rays is your melanin. If you don't have melanin, within a day you will burn completely. You see the way fire burns, you will burn completely. Okay? The second thing that does for polyphenols does for plants is that it protects them from the aggression of pathogens. You know pathogens, disease-causing agents. And scientifically it has been found that long intake of polyphenols helps to protect us against illnesses like cancer, against illnesses like diabetes, against illnesses like osteoporosis. You know osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is a particular illness that happens and you discover that the person's bone begins to wear off. Okay? It also helps to protect us against every form of degenerative diseases. You know, examples of degenerative diseases. Have you heard of Alzheimer's before? You've heard of Alzheimer's? That's one degenerative disease. Have you heard of cerebral palsy? That's a degenerative disease. So this product helps to protect it. Hello. So just to round up, some of the illnesses that this product helps, I think I've mentioned them, but for emphasis sake, let me mention them again. For people that have things like cardiovascular illnesses, One very good example of cardiovascular illness is hypertension. Hello, for people that have things like diabetes, for people that have cancer, for people that have arthritis, for people that have Parkinson's disease, please use this product, and before you know it, you'll be amazed at the results you will find. Hello, are we still here? Do you think it's a good product?
Yes.
Please put your hands together for this product. I'd like to end here. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's do the performance. It's awesome. Beautiful.